Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I hope you had a fantastic Christmas or Hanukkah or whatever you celebrated. This is the first video I've done since the holiday, and it's an important one. In fact, this week I'm going to be focusing a lot on skincare because a lot of you got skincare for Christmas. Some of you got skincare that you haven't been using, like retinol or vitamin C serum or even peptides. So I think it's important this week to have a refresher on things, and we're going to be talking today about retinol and how to use it in the winter months. Now, if you received a retinol product for Christmas and haven't started using it yet, be sure and tune into the video that's coming out tomorrow. Subscribe if you haven't and hit the notification bell so you know when that video is up, because I am going to be talking about how to layer and apply skincare, especially new items that you're adding into your routine that you probably got for Christmas, or maybe you bought them for yourself. Now, for those of you who are new to the channel and don't know who I am, I'm Chris. I'm a skincare expert. Been doing this stuff for 35 years. Here to help you find skincare that will work for you, not empty your wallet, and not do you more harm than good. And today, again, we're going to be talking about using retinol products in the wintertime because your skin is different in every season. And because wintertime air tends to be dry, even if you're in a warmer climate like I am here in Florida, air can be very dry. 35% humidity for us, very dry. So it affects the way your skincare products will work. All retinoids work similarly. That is retinol that you buy over the counter. That is retinaldehyde. That is tretinoin, which is the prescription strength. You know it as Retin A. All of those retinoids work by speeding up surface cellular turnover, helping to achieve a much younger looking skin over time. And retinols do a whole lot more than that. They actually help spark collagen production, strengthen elastin fibers, do a whole lot of great things for your skin. The side effect of that can be dry skin, and especially when you start using retinols of any kind, there is usually a phase where your skin is kind of dry, maybe a little red, kind of peely. So when you add all of that to dry winter air, you have a recipe for dry, irritated skin. But no worries, I have some really great tips in this very short video. We're going to talk about how to adjust your retinol to make it work for you. The first thing we want to do is address the moisture balance in the skin, which can be a little bit tricky because certain creams and moisturizers have ceramides and lipids in them that actually create a barrier for your skin, which is very good at holding moisture in, but it's also very good at holding out other skincare products and their ingredients that need to penetrate the skin. So you definitely don't ever want to use a ceramide type of moisturizer before you apply your retinol. However, there is something that you can apply before your retinol that will help re-moisturize the skin, actually help your retinol penetrate and work better, and help your moisturizing cream that you're going to apply afterwards keep that skin hydrated and reduce the risk of redness and irritation and that super dry skin that we can get in the wintertime. That would be the application of a peptide serum. Now, this is Inky List Collagen Booster Peptide Serum with Matrixyl 3000, several different peptide combinations in this formulation. Very good. You simply want to apply a very thin layer of this. And peptide serums, including this one, tend to be water-based because they need to be able to be absorbed into the skin. So in your nighttime routine, where you would be applying retinol anyway, you would want to apply peptides first. Give them just a minute to be absorbed. Now, if you're in super dry conditions, or you suffer from super dry skin, applying another layer of moisture to the skin is very helpful before you apply your retinoids. This is Mario Badescu's facial spray. It's a facial moisturizer with aloe and rose water, and you just want to spritz the skin to give it a little bit extra moisture before we apply the retinol. So whether you're using, and yeah, Emma is back there, the puppy dog, you can see her right there hiding out so she doesn't end up on camera. But anyway, I just put her on camera. Before you apply your retinoid, which this happens to be tretinoin right here, or your over-the-counter retinol, doesn't matter. Your skin now has a moisture base that's going to help reduce the risk of that excess dryness that comes along with using these type of products. Even if you've been using them for a while and your skin's adjusted, that winter air can really wreak havoc on your face and any exposed areas. So we're just gonna pat in this retinoid onto my skin, and then we're gonna quickly apply our moisturizer. So if you're using a heavier moisturizer like a CeraVe moisturizing cream that has ceramides, lipids to help build that moisture layer, that's just fine. I myself have combination skin, oily and dry patches like most people do, and I'm applying Neutrogena's Hydra Boost moisturizing cream. It's a water gel cream, fragrance-free and oil-free to my skin to cap that moisture and help that retinol work better. Now, if you're using one of the newer retinol body lotions like this one's by Versed. It's a great formulation, contains shea butter to help moisturize your skin while the retinoid is working. But again, in the winter time with the drier air, you may need to apply an extra moisturizer. And this again is Neutrogena's Hydro Boost. This is their body lotion. So applying a layer of this lotion after you use the retinol body lotion can help keep your skin moisturized all over. Excessive dry skin doesn't look healthy, it's uncomfortable, it's itchy, and retinol can exacerbate that problem, but with these few tips, you got it made. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a like and comment down below in the comment section. Also, be sure to check out this video that's coming up next to help you roll back even more time off the look of your skin. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't, stay beautiful, and I'll see you over on that next video.